time again. Ayan, magigisa na tayo ng sibuyas. Ilagay ko na din itong bawang. G1 garlic ito. Itong G1 garlic itong ginamit ko. Bawang. Ang recipe ko ngayon ay bangobi o kaya repolyo o cabbage. Today is 13th day of Ramadan fasting. And today is March 24 and time for 10 p.m. Yes, p.m. Now we can put now tomatoes with green chili. And salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, and this is dried coriander seeds, coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds. Ayan. Wait natin maging paste itong kamatis, then ilagay na natin yung repolyo. Bangobi ang tawag nila sa repolyo o cabbage. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this cabbage o kaya repolyo. Ayan. Pag naluto ito, kunti na lang. Merong natira na chicken curry kahapon, kaya kunti lang itong niluto kong repolyo. Cabbage curry. It's already cooked, this cabbage curry or bangobi curry. Now I'm cooking now this pakora. And there is this is first batch and there is more 2 to 3 third batch. And this one of cutting is good. Fatma she like and Fahad also. And the other one I'm cutting like chips is they don't like, but they like more this one, so that's why this kind of cutting is good. Masarap ang fruit chat ngayon kasi may strawberry. Ayan oh. May guavas, may apples, bananas. Hindi ko na nilagyan ng dates. Tapos may Nestle cream at konting fresh milk ng cow. Ayan. Done cooking pakora and chapati. 10 minutes more, there is already open fasting for iftari. Open fasting for iftari is around 6:20 p.m. Now 6:10 p.m. So there is 10 minutes more left. Fruit chat is also ready, and this is sharbat, roapsa, and dates tamar. Ayan.